Beef tartare, raw, risky, but safe when done right. Beef tartare is finely chopped or minced raw beef served cold, and yes, it can be safe to eat, but only when prepared with absolute care and precision. The safety begins with sourcing. Tartare must come from clean, whole cuts of high-quality beef, usually from the lean inner muscles, such as the tenderloin or sirloin, areas with the lowest bacterial risk. The meat must be inspected, handled under hygienic conditions, and never pre-minced. Keep it cold at all times, below 5 degrees, and prepare it in a sanitized area with clean tools and boards. It must be made fresh to order, à la minute, never stored or prepared in advance. Once minced, bacteria can multiply quickly. Ingredients like lemon juice, vinegar, or Worcestershire sauce add flavor and slight acidity, but they do not make raw meat safe. They don't destroy harmful bacteria like E. coli or Salmonella. The true safety of tartare depends on trusted sourcing, strict temperature control, clean handling, and immediate serving. Beef tartare isn't just a dish, it's a demonstration of perfect food safety discipline. Each sentence can be long if the input requires it, but must not exceed 30 words. If a sentence is longer, split it into 2 or more natural sentences without altering the content.